Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can find and change fonts on your iOS 17. So if you just updated your iOS and you don't know where to find fonts or change them, then you can follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, after you open your iPhone, just go in settings, and inside settings you can see this option called generals. You want to go in generals, and inside generals you can see this option called keyboard, and right below keyboard you can see fonts. You want to click on fonts, but right now I haven't installed any fonts, that's why I cannot see any fonts. But if you have already downloaded and installed fonts on your iPhone, you can click on the font to choose the font style for your iPhone. So whichever font you choose from here will be that. And if you don't have a font, you can click on Open App Store and it's going to show you all the fonts you should be able to download. But right now it says cannot connect to App Store. So this is basically a problem which is caused in like this new iOS 17. Apple said they are going to fix it within a week. So within a week this problem should be fixed. So due to iOS 17 being new, it's causing this problem. But yeah, that's how you guys can find and change fonts on iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.